Greetings, Mark Brownie. We're going to be looking at exactly how we can insert a photo in our Microsoft Word document. Sometimes you might just want to put a photo either maybe in our words or you maybe just want to upload it. But you just don't know how to do it. I'm going to guide you through this particular process right here. As you can see right here, we have a Microsoft Word document. We're going to go up to the top. You notice this is the word insert. You're going to click on it. Now when you click on insert, you notice this illustration. You come right here with the picture, click right and look a pointer. While you click and look a pointer, because there are many options right here. We're going to take a photo right from the device, which is this. Now we're going to take us to our desktop. So this is the photo that I wanted to. So I click on it and highlight it. Now if you come right down here, see cancel, I see insert. So you want to click on the word insert. Notice, so this is self-visit. If you notice, it can't move. So in order for me to move it, I'm going to right click with the mouse on the touchpad, and notice right here that says wrap text. I'm going to go across. I'm going to click behind text. Notice I can actually move it. If I put the cursor right here along the left side, I can actually bring it up small. I can put it anywhere I wanted to put it. Right? That's very important. So this is how you actually insert a photo right in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.